Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm going to be reviewing Speed Queen washers and dryers. I do a lot of reviews on YouTube because I live a very busy life in a very busy household. I raised a brood of kids, and we had kids and company at my house all the time. I had 5 bedrooms, and they always seemed to be filled, and that always gave me a ton of laundry to do. And I still have a ton of laundry because I bring friends over, moms, their kids, and we have backyard parties full of grass stains and towels and a lot of fun and a lot of joy. But all of that's very messy. And my kitchen habits are very messy. It was time for new laundry machines. I needed some durable ones. I was tired of having to fix laundry machines, and I found Speed Queen. I found Speed Queen, and I knew Speed Queen. Speed Queen was always the washers and dryers whenever I went to the laundromat or I was in an apartment house. That was a commercial brand I knew well, but it's not just commercial. It's family heavy duty. Speed Queen's been around for 110 years, manufactured and still is in the United States. They're the queen of laundry machines. Speed Queen comes with a standard 7-year warranty. That was important for me. It was important for me to have an agitator that went all the way up to the top because that's what gives you the cleanest of clothes. It's the classic design, top load down and throw the laundry in for the dry cycle. And the noise level is low as well. It's not going to ruin my day with a lot of extra noise in my busy household. I also appreciate that the control panel isn't too complicated because I don't need 50 ways to do laundry. I need just what I normally do. The whites, the colors, the delicates. Simple. They've added a few features like the delay start, and there's an extra feature of an eco wash. I like that because in California we've had a drought, so I want to save water and save on my water bill and also save on electricity. Oh, and I also want to mention I hooked these up myself, saving myself about $150. The instructions were clear how to hook it up and plug it in, so that's what I did. It was just a very simple process. It only took me 5 minutes per each machine, and that was pretty amazing. And in no time at all, I was able to press a button and get the Action Jackson going. Laundry is an important element of every household, and it's essential to mine. But it's the last thing I want to be thinking about. Doing laundry can be meditative, but my mind is always on something else as I fold and I put away the towels. One of my favorite features about Speed Queen is it makes doing laundry easier with that control panel. Easy laundry is an easier life, which is laundry peace of mind. Making life better for everyone in your family so that everyone in your life is happy because they need the clothes they need and the towels they need when they want them because it wasn't a hassle to get them clean. Go to the description box below this video and click the link to get a lot more information about Speed Queen and what models they have, what ones might fit your family, the size of your household. You may not have a household as crazy as mine, but everybody needs a great laundry system in their household. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life, like a recipe for durable, reliable laundry, so you can get on to the other recipes in life you like best. If you like this video and review of Speed Queen, here's some other household videos you might like as well.